Alright, so whether or not you've got a right-hand swing or a left-hand swing, this thing pretty much works the same way. Right now I've got it set up in the vise as a right-hand swing where the part in the vise right here goes to the door frame and this part goes to the door. So you're going to want to turn this clockwise with the Allen wrench right here on the top of the thing right here. There's a spring in there. And you'll see there's holes here that will appear as I turn that right there. So turn it clockwise and you'll kind of just have to play with this to see where you want your tension. And if you lost your pin, you can use some kind of a nail and then just cut the nail off short. Something like that, whatever is thick enough to go in there and fill up that hole if you happen to lose your pins. Alright, so right now, you want the hinge to close, see? When they squeeze together like this, it's going to close. So let me set it up as a left-hand swing. Alright, so now it's set up as a left-hand swing. Same thing. Turn the head, the Allen head, clockwise. It works clockwise either way. And then just kind of trial and error. So we'll try that one right there. Same thing. The hinge is trying to close itself. That's what you want. Alright, so let me go ahead and put this on the door and I'll show you this in action. Alright, so I've already put about a half a turn on the bottom hinge. Let's go ahead and do the top one. See how it closes. Probably a little bit hard, so I would back off of that a little bit. Now, one problem with putting these hinges too tight.
Good gosh.
Is if you're carrying something in the house, you'll probably wind up struggling through the door to try to get it in there. So you don't want these things too tight. Just make it close a little bit, maybe just barely enough to close it, and that's good enough. All right, I backed off the hinges one hole. Let's try it again. I think that's about right. So I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks for watching.